Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Pixel Gun 3D game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Pixel Gun 3D game on your device, and once you are taken into the home page, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from the gear icon page, you will see both the controller as well as the keyboard icon. Depending upon which control method you are using, just go into this control, and now you will see all of the buttons that have been assigned with this control. Just tap on whichever control you wish to change the buttons off, and you will be prompted to enter the new key. Once you press the key, the change will be made right away. Now you can go into all of the modes, such as the general controls, the controls within the Battle Royale mode, Free Play, Transport, Special, as well as Sandbox. These are the various different game modes and the buttons that have been set for each of these modes as well. Just make your desired change, and once you are done, you can go back and all of your changes will be saved. After this, you can continue your game with your newly chosen control settings right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your control settings on the Pixel Gun 3D game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.